thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockall County in Big Bend, Florida. Northwestern Jefferson County.
Yes, number 12.
Leon County in Big Bend, Florida.
Oh, that's us.
Southeastern Grady County in southwestern Georgia. Southeastern Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia. Western Thomas County in Georgia. Southwestern Colquitt County in Georgia. Until 8:45 a.m.
Now I got all of them.
It's 7:57 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located
And the new one for
along
1
the
hour.
line extending from 7 miles north of Tallahassee to St. Marks, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
They said it was canceled a few minutes ago,
Source,
and then they issued
radar
another one.
indicated.
Wow.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
Where?
impacted include St. Marks, Woodville, Thomasville, Tallahassee,
Oh!
Ocklackney, Florida State University,
We got Tallahassee, oh wow.
Florida A&M, Doak Kemble Stadium, Wakulla, Cody, Gaither Community Center, Tallahassee Memorial West, Rocky Hill, Miccosukee, Ionia, 8 Mile Pond, Tallahassee Mall, Governor's Square Mall, and Natural Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the
God.
following counties in Florida: Jefferson, Leon, and Wakulla, and the following counties in Georgia: Grady and Thomas. These are the 7